Evening, ma'am.
Good evening, sir. How have you been, sir?
I'm absolutely fantastic, ma'am. What about you?
Sir, I'm top notch. Thanks for asking.
So it's been 3 days. What happened? You took
Sir,
holidays for 3 days?
Yeah, sir. Actually, my son got under the weather and I was a little busy in my household chores as well.
What happened to him?
Sir, actually, he had water blister on his ankle.
Huh?
And one day he said to me, Mama, I had excruciating pain on my leg in school. So what am I supposed to do? Then I said, okay, no need bother about it. I will apply balm. So I applied balm, but my efforts fizzled out. And in the evening, I saw a big blister on his ankle. So I got scared. So my mother-in-law said to me, it is a infectious blister, and she applied lukewarm turmeric and clarified butter. She applied on his
As a remedy.
Yeah, as a remedy. So
Did
then
it work?
yeah, it didn't work actually. So at night, water blister swelled more. But I in the morning I applied antiseptic lotion and I sent him to the school. Then the moment he entered, and he came back. Then he said, Mama, I have excruciating pain as well, and what am I supposed to do? Then I saw that blister. I was drastically exorbitantly flabbergasted to see that blister because it was more swelled.
I mean, things were deteriorating instead of ameliorating, right?
Yeah, it started deteriorating. So my husband suggested to me, we have to go to hospital. So I went hospital along with him, and doctor said to me, it is a bullous impetigo. But you should take care of this. And he gave me medicine as well, and antibiotic like, and antiseptic lotion. But next day he didn't work, and
It didn't work.
and it swelled more. But in evening I saw it is a water was dried, and it was dried as well. So I got happy. But next morning it again appeared, and I took him to the hospital again. Then doctor said, okay, it is I have to amputate it. So he amputated that blister. And now one day next morning my neighbor came, and she saw that blister situation. Then she suggested me any remedies, but
Some remedies.
I didn't want to take that Hui advice because she is Blether's kite as well. So I listened properly, but I didn't apply that remedy on
turned a deaf ear to
on
him.
his leg, and I turned a deaf ear and turned a blind eye to him because I didn't want to take risk. So after one days later, his blister started ameliorating, and now
It disappeared completely?
no, it is not completely.
Things
but
are ameliorating, right?
Yeah,
Things are in progress.
It started ameliorating.
It is healing.
So it is healing. Yes, sir.
Okay, ma'am, you are able to speak. I mean, fantastic.
I will try my best, but I get.
Actually, you're trying your best, and the words, vocabulary word selection, it's totally amazing.
I know I committed trivial mistakes.
That's okay. Let's let it be. Let bygone be bygone. But just keep speaking English. English is meant to be spoken.
But
Language is meant to be spoken.
But those days are gone when I used to speak Ramshakal and
When you didn't used to speak, ma'am, I still remember the day when you came to me, when we met first time, and that was like, I mean, there is a 360 change.
Yeah,
you can say.
I couldn't make freeing sentences as well.
You were not able to make sentences. Very nice, ma'am. Proud of you, ma'am.
Thank you, sir.
Absolutely
It was honorificable during 30th for me to be here in front of you, sir.
keep speaking confidently. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.